Before you invest thousands of dollars into a bike wash machine, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. This tip could save you time, money, and even your business. Automatic bike wash business are booming in Southeast Asia. With millions of motorcycles on the road, people need fast and clean solution. But choosing the right machine and preparing your setup properly can make the difference between profit and loss. Firstly, you need to know your target market. Not every area is suitable for an automatic bike wash. Before you buy anything, you should study your location first. Is it near school, market, residential zone, or busy road? And how many bike pass each day? And most importantly, do people in that area regularly pay to get their bike clean? Secondly, understand your power and water need. Automatic systems require reliable electricity and water supply. Most machines need either 222 volt or 380 volt power. If your area doesn't have this, installation may cost more. Also, make sure water pressure is stable. Low water flow can reduce machine performance. Thirdly, consider the space requirement. A typical setup for an automatic bike wash needs around 30 to 50 square meters of space. You will need space for the machine, water tank, drainage system, and customer parking. And here's the bonus tip. You should pick a location with clear visibility from the main road. Nextly, think beyond washing. Don't stop at bike washing. Small operators increase profits by operating related services like helmet cleaning, coffee, accessory, or even basic repair. The more value you provide, the more reason customers have to return. And finally, choose a reliable supplier. Your machine is the heart of your business. Choose a supplier that offers training, technical support, spare parts, and proven results in your region. Don't just look at the price, look at the service, the uptime, and customer success story. That is why choosing the right supplier is crucial. At GO&GO, we provide more than just a machine. We offer hands-on training, after-sales support, technical guidance, and spare parts, all tailored to your local location. We have helped business owners across Southeast Asia set up successfully, long-term operation, and we are ready to support yours too. So don't just compare the price, compare reliability, service, and proven results. Take time to play it right and your investment can turn into a long-term source of steady income. If you are ready to explore further, we are here and pleased to help you.